Shorthand new course exercise number 1. Get ready. Start. The date full stop. The page full stop. Date the page full stop. The date full stop. Pay the debt full stop. Who paid the debt question mark. Abe page paid it, comma, but Ted they paid the debt, comma, Ted paid it, comma, to full stop. Do page to full stop. Aid ed to do it full stop. Pay Ted to aid Abe full stop. Exercise number 2. Have they paid the debt question mark. They think the debt was paid full stop. Do they say so question mark. They say they paid it to Abe full stop. They have usually paid us full stop. Was it paid to Joe question mark. Shall they show the essay to Joe question mark. Who shall judge the essay question mark. Abe shall be the judge full stop. Exercise number 3. Get ready. Start. Show them the boat full stop. Who shall fetch the boat question mark. Which boat shall Joe show to them question mark. They have usually paid us to do it, comma, but they have paid Ed, comma, to full stop. They both say so full stop. They think they have to vote to aid them full stop. Which was the page they showed us question mark. Who was up to page 2 question mark. They both say it was usual to vote full stop. Exercise number 4. Start. They will come to the game today full stop. They think they will be delayed full stop. Show them the way to the lake full stop. Who will come to the boat question mark. Do they think we shall beg them to come question mark. We may change the date to the 10th full stop. Do they know the date question mark. Exercise number 5. Start. Have we paid the debt question mark. We have given him the check to mail to them today full stop. Shall we take the mail to the boat question mark. We shall aim to change the name full stop. We know they will come today full stop. They will take the lunch to the lake. Joe led the way to the lake, comma, but they given to him today full stop.